Is that him? Is that noise coming from him?
No.
That is so weird. Maybe he looks like one of his trainers.
He's playing. Clearly playing.
Yeah, but I mean, maybe that's why he's following Dad, because he looks like one of his trainers.
Okay, I'm going to head over to the other side.
But it's so funny.
All right, head over to the other side. Here we go. That is something.
Weird.
Standing underwater in a most extraordinary place, playing with my playmate, the otter. Curious and distinctly playful. This is what I call animal magnetism.